You want to see something funny?
Oh gosh. No.
She doesn't trust me.
I don't.
Good morning. It is moving day. We are headed down to Fayetteville, North Carolina tonight. We haven't moved in 18 days, so things have gotten a little out of hand out here. I've already put the bikes back on the rack. Before I did that, I was up on the roof sweeping off all the leaves. We got a ton of rain here last night, so all the nice dry leaves that had drifted onto our rig were then wet and pasted to the top. I kind of had to scrape them off with the broom. But that's all done now. It is super cold out here, so I had to have gloves on to even go up the ladder because I could barely touch the metal. So bikes are done, roof is done. Before I went up on the roof, I got the tanks draining, so they've been sitting open for a little while, which is a good little tip for you. When you're draining the tanks, give them time. So go ahead and, pull the black, go do something, close the black, pull your grays, go do something, come back, and then they've had plenty of time to kind of drip drain. So I got to get my yucky gloves on to get the sewer all put away. And then after everybody is up, I've gone to the bathroom for the last time this morning, I'll get the water put away, and then I got to get gas. It is so much easier to fill up a truck when you're not towing a trailer. So I try to go out the night before. Sometimes I go out in the morning, especially on colder mornings. I like to go get gas in the morning, if the station's only a couple miles away like it is here, because it gives the engine time to warm up before putting this kind of load on it. So that's another good little thing to do. So basically, after everything is done, we'll take up the mat and the scrubby mat and put those in the back of the truck. We save those for last because there's a lot of going in and out of the RV when we're packing everything up and getting the kids out the car and all that. So we go ahead and get my gross gloves on and take care of this sewer hose, and we'll check back in a couple minutes. Okay, that's all done. Not too bad. Took me about, 3 or 4 minutes. How's it going in here? Donut break, I see.
Slow roll up here.
Yeah. It was a rough night last night. Lots of sniffling and sneezing. Ben was up and down. You were up and down. Brooke is... I actually scared Brooke because her bunkhouse is right here, and there were a whole mess of leaves up on top. So when I was up there scraping with the broom, after the first scrape, I heard a wah!
Yep.
And then when I came in, she was up in our bed. So sorry, Brookie. Was it scary? Was it like a monster? What'd you think it was?
Just like the ladder.
What?
Daddy going up the ladder.
Did you hear me going up the ladder and then walking around? Did you think it was Santa Claus? No.
She knows better.
You knew it was me. Yeah. We are hooked up and we are on the road. I've got looks like about 2 hours until our first stop. We're going to stop at a gas station just north of the North Carolina border and probably get some lunch and fill up the tank. I can get farther than that. It's about, 110 miles. I can get about double that, but I like to start looking for gas when I'm about half full. I did some searching last night and found that station, checked it out on the Google satellite, so I know that I can fit into it and, more importantly, back out of it. So we're gonna head there first, and then we will check in and see how the trip is going. All right, so how's it going in the van?
It's okay. When we're headed west, the sun hits Ben and he gets a little sad. They've been watching movies, and I gave in and let Tara get on my Wi-Fi so she could play Fortnite, so the kids could watch a movie that they wanted.
Oh, and one nice advantage I didn't even think about when traveling with the van separately, I stopped to get gas, and Erin went and got food.
At the drive-thru.
Yeah, that's great.
Good.
Yeah, that worked out really well, so we don't have to be like, oh, we'll eat whatever's on this side of the road. She can go and get whatever we want.
Right.
So
that
I like that.
Nicely.
Yep, and then we're stopped and using the potty, and yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got about 2 more hours to Fayetteville. You doing good?
Yeah, I mean, it's easy when you follow somebody because
Yeah.
you're not thinking about where I need to turn
Yeah.
and all that kind of stuff. So
Well, this is a nice parking lot picnic.
it's better than eating while driving.
It is. It is. It's beautiful out here. It's like 60, 58 maybe.
Definitely nice.
It's nice in the sun.
Yep.
We're just sitting at a, what is this, a Pilot?
Yes.
A Pilot. We're at mile marker 4 on 95 in Virginia. This is tons of room. I mean, look at the size of this parking lot. This is huge. I had no trouble getting in. That's the very edge. There's diesel pumps on the edge here. I just came in that entrance, came right into that thing, just kind of swooped in, gassed up, and then came out here to the truck parking. Plenty of room. So traveling is going well. It's weird towing by myself.
Aww. We've been trying out a new app.
Oh yeah, Zello.
Zello. It's like a walkie-talkie app. One of the full-time family groups we're in suggested it, and so we're giving it a try.
Oh, that's all reflection. That's all reflection of a reflection. Can't see anything. Oh, here we go. So this is the app. It just looks like this. And when I want to talk to Erin, I tap this and I talk, and it records all of this, and then I tap it again, and it sends it to her. And what I've been doing actually, because I don't have a map in the truck. I don't have nav in the truck. So I've got Google Maps running in here, and I've got it set up with a split screen thing.
Oh, we haven't figured it out.
So yeah, I can put Google Maps on the bottom and Zello on the top. See?
Yeah, that works out.
Yeah. Yeah, so then I can just reach up and be like, hey Erin, I love you. Yep.
There it goes.
So there it goes. And then I've got my map down on the bottom. So our next stop is the Fayetteville RV Resort. Right here. Looks like we've got an hour, 2 hours to go. Not sure what the miles, 125 miles. So yeah, that'll be about 2 hours. I'm going about 65. Okay, so we're gonna finish up eating, and then we're gonna get back on the road, and we will talk to y'all again in 125 miles.
Yep.
All right, we're at Fayetteville.
We are.
We really like this park. This is our second
do.
time here. So we're not unhooking because there's tons of room.
Oh yeah, and
I'm
there's room
in.
for me to park behind.
There's room for the van behind, and we're using level mate. You can see here we're only half an inch down on driver, which we're totally fine
That's
with.
fine for one
And
ride.
then
Yeah.
5 1/4 down on the tongue. So we're gonna stay hooked up. We'll just run it up, and
Be fine.
that's it.
Yep.
So then in the morning I just hop in and go.
We don't have to worry
basically.
about it being frozen and pouring coffee on it.
Oh, Yep, that happened.
We were here a month later last year. We were here on December 26th instead
Yep.
of November 25th. And when we were headed out to leave, it had iced over on the ball.
The coupler lock.
Oh, the coupler had locked. That's right.
Yep.
We couldn't get it open, so Brian had to run over to the office, get a cup of hot coffee, and come over to pour it on because it was
Yeah.
our first stop. We didn't have all of our resources yet.
Not much to do. Just got to put blocks down and then hook up water, and we're done.
Let's do it.
Hey, it's Big Ben.
Look at his Batman shoes.
Oh, he's
on.
running. He's running.
He's gone.
Ben, where are you going? Hey, buddy. How was it, Tara?
It's a long ride.
Well, same tomorrow and then again on Thursday.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yep. It's Disney at the end of the rainbow.
Yay! I kind of want to watch our video from here last year
Oh, jeez.
and see what we did and what we talked about. You guys should go check it out. It's like, I don't know, like our 6th or 7th video maybe.
I don't remember.
You'll have to put in which one it is.
Yeah.
But
It's called Our First Stop. It's got Ben in a
Right.
cop car.
right,
thumbnail, yeah.
you should check that one out and see how different and how far we've come.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Brooke's still asleep.
Oh,
I swear they destroyed the inside of my van.
man. If I fell asleep with my neck like that,
Oh,
I don't think I
know.
would wake up.
I know.
So what's the plan for today?
I kind of want to go to the restaurant we went to last time we were here because it was so good.
It's like a
we'll
southern buffet place.
Yeah, we'll look and see. I don't remember how much it costs. We'll see if it's worth it for us to go. Tara
Yeah.
loves a buffet, as y'all know.
Yeah. Man, it feels good to be back on the road. We were in Virginia for too long. It was really, really nice to see family and friends and have game nights and play D&D, and Erin got to do her choir thing, and that's turning into something really cool early next year, which we'll tell you about soon. And it was really great to do all that. But after spending 10 months on the road, moving, you know, every 2 or 3 or 4 days, it was hard to be basically in one place for 6 weeks. So it felt really good to get in the truck and just hit the highway today. We got another day tomorrow. It's probably gonna be about 5 or 6 hours. Then we're gonna hang out with some friends for a couple nights, and then another 5 or 6 hours down to Disney on Thursday. So this campground has a really nice playground. It's nice and kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's not right next to a road. It's a lot of green space around it. And also in front of the office over there, there's a really nice mini golf course. And a lot of campgrounds have mini golf courses, but they're all run down and funky and kind of scary. That one's really nice. So we're gonna let the kids play for a bit. It's gonna be getting dark here soon. I think sunset's in about 10-15 minutes. And then we're gonna go to Grandson's Buffet.
Buffet!
You wanna see something funny?
Oh gosh.
She doesn't trust me.
I don't.
What's going on?
Come get this Big Daddy long leg.
Big Daddy Longlegs. Spider Patrol. Where?
On the paper towels.
Woo! Put it up to my
Wow, that was a big one. Did you bring him from Virginia?
No.
All right, we got everything set up, got everything taken care of. The kids were able to play at the playground, and we're coming to a buffet. This is Grandson's Buffet. I don't know where we are, but
We're in Fayetteville.
and we liked it so much last time we were here. They have lots of southern sides and lots of vegetables that I like. So we're gonna come in here and have dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.